Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. A competitor's overly complicated dual seal was breaking down on a regular basis at a Middle Eastern oil company site, sometimes every couple of weeks. Mistakes were repeatedly being made in the installation process, causing frequent unplanned downtime, with loss of production costing the company thousands of dollars a day. Eventually, they came to the right decision and called AESSEAL, who fitted a flow-induced dual cartridge seal, FIDC, which has saved them an estimated $125,460 a year since 2019. The reasons? Reliability is vital, and at AESSEAL, much of the hard work is carried out before the installation of a product. AESSEAL's FIDC seal has a modular construction suitable for a wide range of applications. Because the cartridge seals are assembled, preset, and tested before leaving the factory, the risk of mistakes resulting in damage to the seal faces during installation are greatly reduced. Plus, this high-performance sealing solution offers increased barrier fluid flow for improved reliability and is easily adapted for different applications. Greater reliability, a much safer operating environment, and constant cost savings. What's not to like? This company was so pleased, it upgraded 14 other pumps with the same technology. Hard work and preparation resulted in a win for the oil company and a win for AESSEAL.